In this video, we're going to talk about the D chord. Now, the D chord is a little bit different because we don't play on all of the strings. We're actually only going to play on 4 of the strings. So if we're looking from lowest to highest, we have our low E string here. We are not going to play the low E string. We're not going to play the A string. We are going to play an open note here on the D string, and then you'll have 3 fingers on the next 3 strings. So your index finger will go on the 2nd fret of the G string. Then your middle finger will go on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Your 3rd finger will go on the 3rd fret of the B string. And remember, we don't play on the low E or the A string. Now, if we look at a chord diagram for the D chord, what we'll see are there are X's to indicate that we don't play on the low E or the A string. The O open on the D string shows that we play that string, but we don't have our fingers placed anywhere on the strings. And then the other 3 fingers are indicated by dots, as you see here. And there's the D chord. See you next time.